Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see few computer science related general knowledge MCQs which are asked in competitive examination. 11th question is, which of the following is a type of a network? So what do you mean by network? Network is nothing but it is just a collection of devices, maybe collection of mobiles, collection of computers. All these are called as a devices. So network is nothing but it is a collection of devices. So the answer is LAN. LAN means local area network. LAN means local area network. In the same way, we have two more important networks called as MAN and WAN. Okay, MAN means metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network. WAN means wide area network. Okay, so totally there are three major networks are there: LAN, local area network; MAN, metropolitan area network; and WAN, which is wide area network. So here there is another one option, that is GPU. GPU means graphics processor unit, just like CPU. CPU means central processing unit. In the same way, GPU means graphics processing unit. That is, it is majorly used in gaming industry. That is, to perform any graphical operations like video editing, audio editing, and gaming. In those cases, we need high resolution editing softwares. In those cases, we use GPU, that is graphics processing unit. And there is another option called HTTP. In this case, see, HTTP means hypertext transfer protocol, which is used in the case of networking. Okay, in the case of networking, we use a protocol called HTTP. HTTP is nothing but hypertext transfer protocol. And there is one more option called server. Server is nothing but it is like a computer. Okay, server is nothing but a powerful computer which stores large amount of data. Okay, it serves the client. Okay, server is nothing but it is a high powerful computer which stores data. This data will be served to the client. So that is called as the server. So LAN means local area network. GPU means graphics processing unit, which is used in video editing, audio editing, gaming softwares. In those cases, we need powerful processor. In that case, we use graphics processing unit. Server is nothing but it is a powerful computer which stores the data, and that data will be served to the client. The last one is HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. It is a networking protocol. That is the 11th question. Let's see the 12th question, that is, which of the following is an output device? And the answer is printer. Obviously, keyboard, mouse, and scanner, all these are input devices, and the printer is the output device. 13th question is, which of the following is a type of storage device? What do you mean by storage device? A device which stores the data. Data means it can be audio, it can be video, it can be document. Okay, all these things are called as data. Okay, this data is stored inside the storage devices. So the answer is CD, DVD. Okay, now CD means compact disc. CD means compact disc. DVD means digital versatile disc. DVD means digital versatile disc. So CD, DVD are the storage devices which are used to store the data. And CPU means central processing unit. GPU means graphical or graphics processing unit. And PCB means printed circuit boards. Okay, printed circuit boards. Okay, PCB means printed circuit boards. They are the Electronic devices, PCBs are the electronic devices. You can see inside the calculator also. If you open the calculator, or if you open the mobile, or if you open the laptops or anything, there will be a board. Okay, there will be a circuit board. That circuit board is called as printed circuit boards. It is a flat board where copper wires are mounted above it. Okay, if you open a computer, you will see motherboard. That motherboard itself is a PCB, that is printed circuit board. It is just a flat board where copper wires are laid on it. And the 14th question is, what is the full form of PDF? And the answer is portable document format. So whenever you see a file, there will be a logo, there will be an icon. In this case, for PDF, the logo will be like this. Okay, the logo will be like this. Whenever you see these kind of logos, no, it is a PDF document logo, that is portable document format. Okay, this type of format is used to store the documents. Like we have seen for MS Office, MS Word documents. For Word documents, we use docx format. For PPTs, PowerPoint presentation, we use PPTX. For Excel sheets, we use XLX. These are the extensions. In the same way, for some documents, we use PDF. .pdf documents, that is called as portable document format. And the next question is, 15th question is, that is, which of the following is a type of computer virus? First, let us see what do you mean by virus. Virus is nothing but it is a software, but we call it as a bad software. Why it is called as a bad software? It attacks the good software and damages it. Suppose, consider WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a software. Okay, but it is a good software. That is, we are going to use this software for messaging. It is a good software. But there are some softwares which attack this WhatsApp and damages or destroys this software. These kind of softwares are called as viruses. In human body also, we call viruses attack human body and destroy human cells. In the same way, in our computer science also, viruses are nothing but they are the softwares. WhatsApp is also software and viruses also softwares, but those softwares are bad software which damage the working of good softwares. Okay, that is the meaning of the virus. So Trojan horse. Okay, the full name is Trojan horse. Trojan horse is a famous virus which attacks other softwares and destroys those softwares. Okay, and other options are like operating system. In the earlier video, I said what do you mean by operating system. Operating system is a major software without which we cannot use our computer or a laptop or our mobiles also. MS Office, it is an application software. What do you mean by application software? Application software is nothing but we use these kind of softwares for a particular reason. Like WhatsApp. WhatsApp is an application software. It is used for messaging. Facebook, it is also application software. It is used for social media platforms. And then MS Office, it is also an application software which is used for editing, text editing software. These are called as editors. Okay, these are called as editors. And there is a last option called antivirus. Antiviruses are like antibiotics. Okay, they are like antibiotics. If virus attacks our body, we use antibiotics. Okay, in the same way, if any virus attacks our computer, we use antivirus softwares to kill these viruses. Okay, now let us see the summary. That is, virus is a software. These viruses attack our other softwares. We can call this virus as a bad software, and this useful software is called as a good software. To kill this virus or to remove this virus from our computers, we use another software called antivirus software. This is also a software. So totally all these three are called as the softwares, but one destroys the good software, another one removes the viruses from our computer. So let us see next question, that is the 16th question. Okay, 16th question. What does it says? What is the function of a firewall in a computer? What do you mean by firewall? So the answer is to block unauthorized access. So what do you mean by blocking of unauthorized access? First of all, see what do you mean by firewall. Firewall is nothing but it is a software. We have a computer C1 and we have another computer C2. Okay, in this C1 we have some data, and this computer C2, it tries to access the data present inside the computer C1 unethically. That is, C2 should not be accessing the data which is present inside the C1. It has no authorization, but illegally it is trying to access the data of C1. In that case, firewall is a software which stops this computer C2 from accessing the data. It is just like a student is there, a student who is trying to access the result of another student. But in between there is a firewall which stops this student from accessing the result of another student. Okay, that is, this student is unauthorized to access the result of other student. By illegal means, this student is trying to access the result of other student. In that case, firewall is a software which stops student from accessing the result. So what does that firewall do? Firewall allows only authorized softwares, only authorized people. Okay, only authorized people can access the data. It allows only authorized people to access the data, and unauthorized peoples will be stopped from accessing the data. That is the use of firewall. And the 17th question is, what is the full form of LAN? I already said LAN means local area network. MAN means metropolitan area network. WAN means wide area network. These are the three important networks in computer science. And the 18th question is, so what does 18th question says? Which of the following is not a web browser? In the earlier videos also I said what do you mean by web browsers. So web browsers are the softwares. Basically web browsers are the softwares. They are the software. So what is the use of web browser? Those web browsers are used to connect to the search engine. Okay, those web browsers help us to connect to the search engines. So which of the following is not a web browser? MS Office is not a web browsing software because MS Office is a application software. MS Office is application software. Google Chrome, it is a web browser. Mozilla Firefox, it is a web browser, and Internet Explorer is also a web browser. So what do you mean by web browser? Web browser is a software which is used to access the search engine. So what is the use of search engine? See, browsers are there. Okay, let us see. Okay, browsers. Okay, so browsers are the softwares. These browsers help us to connect to the search engine. Okay, what are these search engines? Search engines are those which searches the data which is present inside a server. Okay, data is present inside a server. This server will be searched by the search engines for a particular data, and this browser help us to connect to the search engine. Okay, next question, 19th question is, which of the following is not a search engine? So example, Ubuntu is not a search engine. Google is a search engine. Yahoo is a search engine. Bing is Microsoft's search engine. Okay, Bing is Microsoft's search engine. Okay, Bing is Microsoft's search engine. So search engines are used to search the data inside a server, because server stores lot of data. There will be lot of data, just like in a university, inside a computer, result of 10,000 students are present. It is a server or it is a powerful computer. Inside this server or computer, result of 10,000 students is stored. Inside this result, we have to search result of a particular student. This searching will be done by search engines, and example for search engines are Google, Yahoo, Bing. So what about Ubuntu? Ubuntu is not a search engine, it is a operating system. I earlier mentioned that example for operating systems are Windows operating system, which is present inside our laptop or computers, or Android operating system, which is present in our Android mobiles, or iOS operating system, which is present in Apple iPhones. Inside the Apple iPhones, iOS operating system is present. Inside other mobiles, we have Android operating system. Inside the laptops and computers, we have Windows operating system. And Ubuntu is also a type of operating system. And the last question of today's video is, what is the function of mouse in computer? So the main function of the mouse in computer is to navigate, means to take the cursor to one place to another place, that is move from one place to another place. Okay, this is the right answer for the function of the mouse. In the next video, we are going to see few more important questions regarding the competitive examination. Thank you.